Biology Chapter 10 Cell Cycle and Cell Division of Class 11. Meiosis. The production of offspring by sexual reproduction includes the fusion of two gametes, each with a complete haploid set of chromosomes. Gametes are formed from specialized diploid cells. These specialized kind of cell division that reduce the chromosome number by half result in the production of haploid daughter cells. This kind of division is called meiosis. Meiosis ensures the production of haploid phase in the life cycle of sexually reproducing organisms, whereas fertilization restores the diploid phase. In plants and animals, meiosis during gametogenesis leads to formation of haploid gametes. Key features of meiosis are as follows. Meiosis involves two sequential cycles of nuclear and cell divisions called meiosis I and meiosis II, but only a single cycle of DNA replication. Meiosis I is initiated after the parietal chromosomes have replicated to produce identical sister chromatids at the S phase. Meiosis involves pairing of homologous chromosomes and recombination between them. Four haploid cells are formed at the end of meiosis II. Meiotic events can be grouped under the following phases: meiosis I, prophase I, metaphase I, anaphase I, and telophase I, and meiosis II, prophase II, metaphase II, anaphase II, and telophase II. Prophase I of meiosis I. It is longer and more complex. It has been subdivided into five subphases based on chromosomal behavior: leptotene, zygotene, pectine, diplotene, and diakinesis. Leptotene or leptonema. This is the first phase of meiosis. During this phase, the chromosome becomes gradually visible. The compression of chromosomes continues throughout leptotene. Each chromosome is made up of two chromatids and centromere attached to them, but chromatids are tangled with each other, so its dual form is not seen. Zygotene. During this stage, chromosomes start pairing together, and this process of association is called synapsis. Such pair chromosomes are called homologous chromosomes. This process proceeds further like a zipper. Signal strands of chromosomes entangle or intertwined around each other at some place. The complex formed by a pair of synapsed homologous chromosomes is called a bivalent. In fact, it is a tetrad. Packeting. During this stage, bivalent chromosomes clearly appear as tetrad. Single chromatid of the homologous chromosome are entangled with each other. This stage is characterized by the appearance of recombination nodules. Crossing over occurs between non-sister chromatid of the homologous chromosome. Crossing over is the exchange of genetical material between two homologous chromosomes. Crossing over is also an enzyme-mediated process. An enzyme involved is called recombinase. Crossing over leads to recombination of genetical material on the two chromosomes. Crossing over takes place at the exchange place of genes. This way, new combinations are formed. Diplotene. The beginning of diplotene is recognized by the dissolution of the synaptonemal complex and the tendency of the recombined homologous chromosome of the bivalent to separate from each other except at the site of crossing over. These X-shaped structures are called chiasmata. The number of chiasmata depend on length of chromosome. They are more in long chromosomes. Exchange of genes takes place at site of formation of chiasmata. In oocyte of some vertebrate, diplotene lasts for months or years. Bispindle fiber separating homologous chromosome is formed. Single chromatid are separated at the site of formation of chiasmata. By the end of dikinesis, the nucleolus disappear and the nuclear envelope also breaks down. Each chromosome is made up of two single chromatin and centromere attaching to it. Metaphase 1. The bivalent chromosome align on the equatorial plate. The microtubules from the opposite poles of the spindle attach to the pair of homologous chromosomes. Anaphase 1. The homologous chromosomes separate, while sister chromatin remain associated at their centromeres. Telophase 1. The nuclear membrane and the nucleolus reappear. Cytokinesis follows and this is called a dyad of cell. The stage between two meiotic division is called interkinesis and is generally short-lived. Meiosis II. Meiosis II takes place in four substages. Meiosis II resembles a normal mitosis. The nucleus of the chromosome is maintained in subphases or stages. Prophase II, metaphase II, anaphase II, and telophase II. Prophase II. Meiosis II is initiated immediately after cytokinesis. The nuclear membrane disappears by the end of prophase II. The chromosomes again become compact. Metaphase II. The chromosomes align at the equator and microtubules from opposite of the spindle get attached to the kinetochore of sister chromatids. Anaphase II. It begins with the simultaneous splitting of the centromere of each chromosome, which was holding the sister chromatin together, allowing them to move towards poles of the cells. Telophase II. The two groups of the chromosomes once again get enclosed by a nuclear envelope. Cytokinesis follows, resulting in the formation of tetrad of cells, that is, four haploid daughter cells. Here is overall steps of the meiosis. Cytokinesis follows, resulting in the formation of tetrad of cells. Four haploid daughter cells are seen at the end of the telophase II. Prophase II. Meiosis II is initiated immediately after cytokinesis. The nuclear membrane disappears by the end of prophase II. The chromosomes again become compact. Metaphase 1. The bivalent chromosome align on the equatorial plate. The microtubules from the opposite poles of the spindle attach to the pair of homologous chromosomes. Thank you.